We got her all polished up. We polished the eyes, the mouth, the nose. Focus. Hey, you can see me holding my tablet, guy. Look at that. Look how shiny I got that guy. Looks like it's gold. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I also cut a little, probably about an inch of leather off of the bib. That way it goes on top of the seat mount. It looks better like that. Before, what I was doing is I was tucking the bib underneath that. So I mean, either way it works out, but I did cut a little bit of leather, probably about a good inch off of this bib here to make it go underneath there. Later on, what I'll do is I'll see if I can find a couple skulls to replace those two knobs there. But yeah, I like that, man. Look at that. Doesn't that look cool? I'm still waiting for my, these should be in today. The 4 chrome button heads. I just hope no one steals that.